Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Are you struggling with the Windows built-in disk management tool? Would you like a program that is easier to use and has a more intuitive interface? In this video, I will recommend the best tool for creating and managing new partition drives on your Windows 11 computer. Let's go. Disk partitioning can be intimidating, especially if you're not tech-savvy. But don't worry, I have explored several disk partition management tools and found one with a simple, easy-to-use interface that really stands out. This tool quickly creates partitions on your Windows computer and is packed with features including partition extension and data recovery, dynamic disk management, operating system migration to another drive, and more. Would you like to try the software now? You can click my link in the description below to download the installer directly and receive a special welcome bonus as a first-time user. Once you install the program on your computer, open it up and look at the left sidebar to access the Create Partition tool under the Partition Management section. Just a quick heads up, this feature only appears if there is unallocated space on your disk. So, if your drive is a single C partition that fills the entire disk, you will need to shrink it first to create unallocated space. To begin, right-click on the unallocated space and choose Create from the drop-down menu. Next, define the required parameters such as partition label, partition type, drive letter, file system, cluster size, partition volume, partition location, and partition alignment method. These are usually set to standard default values, so unless you need something specific, you can just leave them as is. The only thing you need to focus on is setting the disk size. This tool also supports a variety of partition formats including FAT, FAT32, XFAT, NTFS, X2, X3, X4, Linux swap, and even unformatted ones. After setting all the necessary configurations, click OK to return to the tool's main interface and preview the new partition that will be created. If everything looks right, hit Apply to confirm. The new partition should be created successfully in just a few moments. For best results and to ensure all system changes take effect, restart your computer afterward. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or want me to create a tutorial about another topic, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.